My mother, Val, manipulates my entire family and I'm sick of it. But great news, I've worked out how she does it. Apple crumble. No more. I want my family back, Val. I'm going to make my own apple crumble. I'm going to start off with golden, delicious apples. Peel them. Now cut them in half. Finally, remove the yucky bits. Now I'm using a melon baller. Into the centre of the apple, spin it around, out comes the core. That's done. Look, Mum, cleaning up all by myself. Let's go to the compost. All the apples into the bowl. Now, the squeeze of lemon juice stops it from discolouring but gives a nice tartness to our recipe. Sultanas are good. Only need about half a cup of those. And some sugar, just to taste. Not too much, plenty. Give that a tumble with my nice clean hands. Mum taught me well. And into the bowl for our oven. Pat those down, and now into the oven. Thought you had me, didn't you, Val? Not that easy. Because we all know it's all about the crumble, and this is how I make mine. I start off in a blender. We're using 250 grams of butter. Put 50 grams aside. Tell you why later. In with our flour, 250 grams of plain flour. But tip number 2, 100 grams of self-raising flour. Keeps it light, but you still get the crunch, especially because we're using this sugar. This is Demerara sugar. Got a great crunch to it. Now you need 250 grams of that, or 750 granules. Yeah, that's it. Pinch of salt, lid on, and blend. There you go, look at that. See the texture? Fine grained sand. Now, the butter, don't forget to chop it, and add that to the rest of the mix. This time, we're going to pulse it. Pulse. There you go. Now, can you see it's more crumbly? Time to add to our apples. Carefully cover every last piece of apple, but leave it nice and rough and rustic. Rustic's good. It's a word we use when you don't know how to make it neat. Into the oven. 180 degrees, about 45 minutes. Just to check things are on track, the bubble should form around the edge as the crumble goes brown. Well, there it is. My secret weapon. Apple crumble. I've regained control of my family. You know, there comes a time in a man's life where you have to draw the line in the sand. Enough is... Oh, Mumsy's here. Oh, sorry, Mum. Sorry. I'll never do that again. Sorry.